Everyone says, book a ship excursion. It's safer, it's easier. But Celebrity wanted over $1,000 US just for 3 hours. So we did something a little different.
We sure did. We ended up hiring a local cab driver. Get this, for just 280 New Zealand dollars.
That's New Zealand dollars.
New Zealand dollars.
And yes, it started with a shuttle, and I hate shuttles.
We actually got about 5 hours of time.
Compared to the 3.
And it was a great port day.
Hey everyone, I'm Rob.
And I'm Kim, and we're from K&N Travel Journeys.
Yes, and today we're gonna share our experience on our second port day on our 12-night New Zealand cruise out of Sydney, Australia. This is great. Christchurch, New Zealand. We're going to show you how we did it without paying the ridiculous price of private journeys, or at least what they quoted us.
And we will break that down, what we did, what it cost. We have a surprise tip of what we're going to share with you as we learned when you're shopping, buying souvenirs.
Exactly. Christchurch is on the South Island of New Zealand, and this was one of those ports where you can do a lot if you don't waste time. Okay, here's the deal. There's a complimentary shuttle to the port entrance.
And if you have seen our previous videos, we know how much Rob hates a shuttle.
I do. It's just like you're waiting around. You have to wait for the shuttle to fill up before you leave. It just seems to me like a waste of time. But it was basically the only way we could get off the ship and get into an area where we could get a cab.
And it was quick, and it was free.
Yeah, it was free, of course.
Yep.
I mean, if that's the only way, they have to make it free.
Exactly. Yeah, I suppose so. So once we got outside the port entrance, we went straight to a cab driver and asked if he could take us into town.
And he said yes. And then we asked a better question. Can you just tour us for the whole day?
And he said yes again.
He said yes.
So that worked out great.
And guess what he quoted us? $280 New Zealand dollars,
Yeah.
that is. Celebrity Private Journeys was asking for over $1,000 just for 3 hours.
Yeah, they were. And we actually had a longer time. It was 5 hours as opposed to the 3 hours. So
That was definitely the best decision of the day.
yeah, I think so.
Christchurch is the largest city on New Zealand's South Island and is known as the Garden City. But it's also a city with a powerful recent story, because in 2011, a major earthquake changed the downtown dramatically.
Yeah, a lot of what we saw was part of the rebuild and new structures, new design, a city focused on the future.
Oh, for sure. I mean, they're building that whole sports complex
Stadium,
and stadium's covered, so yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah, it's really cool.
You can see it. And
our driver kept reminding us of something very important: sunscreen, even when it's not hot. And he was right. In New Zealand, the sun can get deceptively strong. And
Very
so,
strong.
yes, wear sunscreen. Of course, I didn't. But
nope.
So stop one was the Riverside Market. This is a perfect cruise day location because you can eat, shop, and explore without losing time.
And it's really, really pretty. There's so many shops inside this market. It was just truly amazing. I love areas like that.
But what did you like the best about it?
The meat pie.
That's where we tried our first New Zealand meat pie. You know, Australia and New Zealand go back and forth on who created the meat pie, but the one we had in New Zealand was great. Everyone talks about these. So let's find out what this hype was all about.
Well, we certainly did. And guess what? Rob says, why don't we just get one and share it? And I said, fine. Big mistake. Should have just grabbed 2.
Yeah. That's
They
they're actually really good. They're savory, flaky. I mean, okay.
Oh,
now I get it.
Yes.
Now I get it.
But we still have time. We'll find another one. So now that we had our meat pie, we said, let's do some shopping. And we always love to go and find something authentic to where we are. And I think right away I spotted a hat, and I said, oh, he'll love this, especially coming from Christchurch, New Zealand.
Right. And I found a leather backpack, which,
It's great.
Yeah, it'd be a beautiful backpack.
Really nice.
And we assumed New Zealand, right? Right.
We did. But guess what? We soon found out after the fact.
The backpack was actually made in India, and
The hat was
made in China. So, oh well,
We
whatever.
bought it in New Zealand. We're just going to go with that.
know.
Just
We
check your tags if it means a lot
if
to you.
it means a lot to you, which
of
it
getting
does.
something authentic.
It means a lot to us, but we just keep forgetting to check the
I think we
tags.
just got excited being in
Plus,
the market.
I mean, they're really nice.
Yeah. And this whole market area, again, is a must-see.
Must see for sure.
Definitely. After Riverside, we had the cab driver come and pick us up, and we were going to be heading to somewhere that Christchurch is quite famous for.
Yeah. The Christchurch is known as a garden city, so the Botanic Gardens seemed like it was a must-do.
Yeah, it was a chance just to kind of slow down and see these beautiful trees and flowers, and we even saw a poor seagull though, with a broken leg, and another one trying to help it. But in any event, going through the gardens were just really beautiful, and a lot of people out and about, jogging, walking, and it was a gorgeous weather day. So
Yeah, it was sunny, it was comfortable, but you got to make sure again you wear that sunscreen. I mean, our cab driver was from India.
yes,
He says he needs to wear sunscreen, so
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, okay, I'll take your word for it.
we did stumble upon the cafe in the Botanical
That
Gardens.
was good. That was a little wine cafe there. That was nice. We grabbed a couple glasses of wine
Yeah.
and just enjoyed the area.
And they offered snacks or appetizers, and it looked like people were there for like a nice lunch. We didn't have anything to eat, but it smelled really good. It was
Yeah.
really a cute, very cute place.
Yeah. If you cruise stop and you want something easy that feels, special, this is it.
Yeah, definitely.
For sure. So our next stop is the Christchurch Gondola. If you like viewpoints, this is a payoff.
And again, I'm just going to say this is why we loved having a flexible driver. We didn't feel rushed, and we could actually enjoy it.
Yeah, the views are incredible. It's just one of those moments that makes a port day feel like a real travel day, not just we got off the ship day, you know what I mean?
Right, and having to check that and watch
Yeah,
every
right.
second to make sure we were on time for things.
I mean, that's the big difference, the ship excursion clock versus our clock. But with this situation, it was just a little different. Hello there, this is Kim and Rob from K&R Travel Journeys, coming to you from Christchurch, New Zealand. And we just came off the gondola ride, and what an amazing experience. We were able to see all of Christchurch from an elevated point.
Oh, we got some good
Viewpoint.
pictures of the ship in the background too.
Oh yeah, just an absolutely beautiful area of New Zealand.
And there's so many sheep.
Yes, Kim really likes sheep.
They're just cute.
Which I'm just finding out now. So that's great. So
Just cute.
maybe when we
They
get
were
back
just,
home,
like, running with babies, and
maybe we'll get her a sheep. But in any event, beautiful area. Highly recommend coming to Christchurch and experiencing this.
Gondola.
Do the gondola.
They
yeah.
also have a tram. We didn't do that, but so I really can't tell you
Yeah.
about that. But
They
it
have a
looks
tram.
fun.
They have a tram. They have a punting experience, and they also have dinner at the top of the
Oh,
mountain.
and you can get food up on the top. You can spend as much time as you want up there, just as
Right.
long as you make sure you get back on that ship.
Yes. So we're heading back to the ship right now. Bye bye. So was skipping celebrities' private journeys worth it?
Absolutely.
For $280 New Zealand dollars, we got a flexible local experience for driver for over 5 hours. Riverside Market, Botanic Gardens, the gondola, and a bunch of local insights we never would have gotten on a structured tour.
Yeah, I don't believe so.
Yeah.
And we learned two things. Sunscreen is not optional.
No.
And if you want to buy something truly local, make sure you check the labels before you buy.
Yes, the second mistake already on this trip. And if you're wondering, yes, we felt completely comfortable doing it this way. And we're able to get back to the ship with plenty of time to spare. So we always love doing that since we love going back on the ship when, when there's not a lot of people on it.
Yeah, it makes it a
Yeah.
great time for your pick-me-ups and things like
The
that.
first thing we do every time we get back on the ship is get ourselves a good old-fashioned pick-me-up.
Christchurch surprised us in the best way.
And our next stop is going to be another great one, so don't miss it.
And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and tell us in the comments, would you pay for the ship excursion or do you prefer to wing it like we did?
Hey, that's your choice. But put it down in the comments. Thanks for traveling with us. I'm Rob. This is Kim from K&R Travel Journeys, and we'll see you next time.
Toodles!
Bye-bye.